Everyone, this is Priya and I have decided to make one video every single day of what I'm studying about. This is video number 4 of my AWS Cloud Practitioner series, and in this one I'm basically going to talk about AWS service EC2, which basically stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. What does this one mean basically? Okay, EC2 can be understood as renting a virtual computer from AWS, where you as a user will get to decide how many CPUs should be there, how much RAM should be there, whether it should be Linux or whether it should be Windows. Basically, what I'm trying to say here is you get to configure your new computer, which is basically a virtual machine and rented by AWS to you. Yeah. And the best part is you probably don't need to take care of the maintenance of that server. AWS is doing the hardest part. And after basically provisioning on that EC2 instance, you probably would want to deploy your application on that, and then such that this instance can start taking up the traffic for you, and it will be basically like a client server model. And this EC2 instance is nothing but a server acting as a server. Now, the best part is it is basically cost effective. In order, suppose I have a business and I don't want to basically go through the I don't want to bear the cost of building a data center and my own on-premises servers. So I will probably opt for something like AWS EC2 instances, and in the cases it is extremely fast. And in this case, the best part is I just have to pay for what I'm using. I don't have to pay for the terminated or stopped instances. I just have to pay for the running instances. And other than this, I would also want to talk about the scale up and scale down functionality. Basically, what does that mean? Suppose I know that in my business, I know that, okay, maybe suppose there is something called as Black Friday sale for my business, and traffic is going to be extremely high. During those days, probably I will need more EC2 instances, more servers helping me and my business out, such that it is able to tackle all those requests and traffics. But on a normal day, I would basically deprovision the extra instances which I probably provisioned for my Black Friday sale. I will scale down, and this is why the word elastic is associated with it. Yeah, that's pretty much. I hope you enjoyed knowing about EC2, and please, thanks for watching.